Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Pottery Barn account from the Capital One on computer. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Pottery Barn account from your computer on Capital One, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and in the search bar click over there and type in Pottery Barn credit card sign in like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for capital1.com like this and hit enter. And on the first page you can see the Pottery Barn Capital One credit card login over here. Click over there, and this is the home page of Pottery Barn by Capital One. Except now to log into your Pottery Barn account from the Capital One, you can see the sign in option available over here. Click over there, and you can see the sign in web page here after loading. And on the second tab, we had opened it from the website directly. To log into your Pottery Barn account from the website itself, you can see the sign in option available at the top right corner of the screen. Click over there, and after that you can see both of these websites are same. So let's close one of these. And now to log into your Pottery Barn account on Capital One, you can see that you'll be required to enter your username over here, and after that enter your password over here, and then click on sign in to log into your Pottery Barn account from Capital One on computer. Or if you have forgotten your password or username, you can see the forgot username or password option available over there. Click over there to go through a procedure to retrieve your username or password depending upon which one you lost. And there guys, this is how you log into your Pottery Barn account from your computer on Capital One. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.